In this video, I am going to show you how to open YouTube on your TV so you can enjoy your favorite videos on a bigger screen. There are several ways to access YouTube on a smart TV or streaming device, depending on your setup. If you have a smart TV, check if the YouTube app is pre-installed. Most modern smart TVs from brands like Samsung, LG, Sony, or Vizio come with the app already available. Simply navigate to the app using your remote and open it. If the app isn't pre-installed, go to your TV's App Store, like the Google Play Store or Samsung App Store. Search for YouTube and download it. If you're using a streaming device like a Roku, Amazon Fire Stick, Chromecast, or Apple TV, you can also download the YouTube app from the respective App Store for that device. For example, on Roku, go to the Channel Store, search for YouTube, and add it to your home screen. Another option is to cast YouTube from your smartphone or computer to your TV. To do this, ensure your phone or computer is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your TV. Open the YouTube app or website, find the video you want to watch, and tap the Cast icon, a rectangle with a Wi-Fi symbol. Select your TV from the list of available devices, and the video will start playing on your TV. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you learn how to open YouTube on your TV, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.